Hello, my name is Wim Arts. In this video I will explain the 2000 series of wall mounts. The 2000 series is a range of articulating wall mounts made for small and medium-sized displays, ranging from 19 till 43 inches and with a visa fitment of maximum 200 by 200 millimeters. There are three versions. We have a version with 1 pivot point, 2 pivot points and 3 pivot points. Special features are the post-installation leveling function and the security padlock, which makes them ideal for hotel, hospitality and public use. Now let's unbox one of the mounts. We have the manual, wall mounting screws, a range of display mounting screws, a cable clip, the security padlock, the wall mount and the visa adapter. Now let's install one of the mounts. First we remove the wall cover caps. On the side of the turning head you see two screws. These can be used for extra stability of the click-in mechanism of the visa adapter. Level it. Put the wall cover caps back. Then we take the visa adapter. On the back of the visa adapter you can see the post-installation leveling function, the click-in mechanism, and on top you see a screw which can be used to increase the friction of the tilting mechanism. After inserting, we tighten the post-installation leveling function. Here we see the smooth tilting functionality. And with this screw, as explained, we can increase the friction. We insert the clip of the locking mechanism. We take the security padlock. And at last, we have the cable clip for cable management. And we have a perfect hanging display.